If you are using Samsung Galaxy phone, there are 3 Android permissions that hackers actually abuse. And no, it's not change system settings. Let's focus on what truly matters. First, check accessibility access. This is the most misused permission in Android malware. It allows an app to read everything on your screen, perform actions, press buttons, and capture text. Banking malwares use this to read OTPs, control banking apps, and approve payments without you knowing. To check this on your Samsung mobile, open Settings app. Now scroll down and tap Accessibility. Now tap Installed apps. Only trusted apps should have this permission. At present, there are no apps present. But if you see any random app like flashlight, wallpaper or unknown utility app here, just remove it immediately. Next permission to check is overlay permission, which is also called as appear on top. This allows apps to display content over other apps. Hackers use this to create fake banking login screens that look real and steal passwords. To check this one, open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, tap the 3 dots at the top right side, select Special Access, tap Appear on top. If any random app has this permission enabled and doesn't clearly need floating window features, just remove the permission. The third important permission to check is Install unknown apps. This controls whether an app can install APK files outside Play Store. If you don't manually install apps from outside sources, this should be turned off everywhere. To check this, go to Settings, tap Security and Privacy, scroll down, tap More Security Settings. Now tap Install Unknown Apps. Turn it off for apps like browsers or file managers unless you specifically need it. Now let's clear the common myth. The change system settings permission is not a major hacking risk. It mainly allows apps to adjust brightness, volume, or small system controls. It does not allow apps to break Android security, access other apps' private data, or override system protections. Disabling random system apps like Google Play Services or Play Store can in fact reduce your phone's stability and security. See, the rule is simple. If an app has powerful permission and you don't clearly understand why it needs it, just remove that permission. Focus on accessibility, overlay, and unknown app installation. Those are the real risks on Samsung Mobile. Check these permissions, that's the real Android security. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.